Mario, have you seen Luigi? No, I haven't seen him anywhere. Why'd you ask? Well, he's been missing for 3 days right now. Where is he? We better find out, because if we don't find him, I'm not sure if he's gonna be alright. Well, I hope we find him soon. Okay, Ethan, you go outside. I'll check the closet. Okay. Luigi? Luigi? Where are you? No, he can't be in the garage. Nope. 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 Where's Luigi? He's not in here. Luigi! Luigi! Huh? Not in here. Can't really see it inside. Okay, shirts. Shirt. I couldn't find him anywhere. Same here. Where is Luigi? Luigi! Luigi! Gotti gotti. That voice. Oh, ha 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 ha. Gotti gotti. Oh, so, how's your life? Same here. Oh no, I've been caught. Huh? It's nothing. Anyway. Why is he talking to a penguin? So, shoot. I messed up. Wanna get us something to eat? Maybe. Oh, so you gotta get something to eat while you leave your older brother in his stuck. Mario, what are you doing in that pillow? Just, chilling out. Hey, Rosalina. Good morning, too. Morning. Anyway. The heck? Sorry. Let me get you out. Anyway, what are you doing? I'm trying to find Luigi, but now he's bit the penguin. Penguin? You mean that pink penguin? Yeah? Purple flipper? Yeah? Okay. Almost golden teeth? Beak? Yes? Blue eyes? Yes? I think I now remember that penguin. Doesn't it orange? That's orange penguin? I haven't realized it was us. Well, I do know what. Come on, let's get you down. Anyway, this is, well, her name's just Penguin. That's what Owen called her. Oh, so that's how. Ethan did. Oh yeah, Ethan also wanted to make a video. Penguin. Hey, have you seen Penguin? Not exactly. Oh, you mean that penguin over there? Yes, that's her. Thank you. Nice. Are you doing the penguin? That's orange thing. Oh, how can I be so stupid? I don't know. At least we found you. Oh my God. Big thunder. Oh, okay. That's enough. What is that sound? Damn! You have to learn how to contain that power, okay? Now please, stand still. Yeah, you need to stand still for a second. Okay, but please, stand still, and you calm down. Come on, we won't hurt you. What are they doing? Should we go to Amiibo form, Maya? Sure. I'm going to. Hey, little Mike, look. You tune this. Huh? What are you doing messing around with that kid? Yeah. Wait. Mario? Yes? Sheik? Little Mac? Hey! What are you three doing here? Hey, long time no see, what? Anyway, we just came here to look around. Oh yeah, we are staying here with Ethan. Ethan? He can't turn into a person. He's actually a person. Anyway, wanna go meet him? Oh sure. Ethan, come here. What is it? Oh. Yep. This is Little Mac, Sheik, and us, so I already know them. What? You mean you've been knowing them? How long have you known them? I've known Sheik ever since we got our first Amiibos, Pikachu and Kirby. Sheik was there too. And Little Mac when I got him for my cousins. This I got from Christmas. You little stupid mother. Elisa. But wait, aren't those the plushies? Yeah, those are only plushies right now. In this one. Oh, I'm sorry. You're not a plushie. Only these are. So I'll just put them back in the bin. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy these. Finding Luigi, which was actually right here with the penguin. I'm sorry. Don't kill me. Luigi, let's just go to our rooms and you do know what's gonna happen, right? Beat him up. Totally.